Imagine a desktop so small, you could mistake it for a portable SSD, yet powerful enough to embarrass massive gaming PCs that cost thousands of dollars. For decades, we accepted one rule in technology. More power meant bigger machines, louder fans, and messy cable setups. But Apple is about to completely destroy that idea with the new Mac Mini M5. And honestly, this might be the most important desktop Apple has ever created. Because this isn't just a spec upgrade. This is a complete shift in how computers are designed. The Mac Mini M5 is rumored to use Apple's next-generation 2-nanometer architecture. That means better efficiency, lower heat, and performance levels that sound almost unrealistic for a machine this small. We're talking about a desktop that could outperform high-end Windows systems while using less power than a desk lamp. And the craziest part? Apple may finally be fixing the biggest complaint users have had for years. Leaks suggest the base model could start with 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. No more feeling forced to upgrade just to get a usable machine. Apple knows AI is becoming the future of computing, and the M5 is being built specifically for that world. Smarter workflows, faster image generation, real-time video editing, instant search results, all happening directly on your device without constantly relying on the cloud. That's where the redesigned neural engine comes in. The M5 reportedly pushes AI processing harder than anything we've seen in a Mac Mini before. And despite all that power, the design is getting even smaller. Rumors claim the new Mac Mini could be nearly 30% thinner than the current generation. A full professional workstation that practically disappears on your desk. Apple is also expected to bring Thunderbolt 5 support to the M5 Pro model. That means insane transfer speeds, multiple high-resolution displays, and cleaner one-cable setups. For creators, developers, and editors, this changes everything. You could edit massive 4K projects, run demanding software, and multitask all day in complete silence. No loud cooling system. No overheating. No giant tower under your desk. And that's exactly why companies like Dell, HP, and Intel should be paying attention right now. Because Apple is proving that raw power no longer needs raw size. The desktop computer is evolving into something smaller, smarter, and dramatically more efficient. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just another Apple product. It's a warning shot to the entire PC industry. A future where your entire workstation fits in your backpack is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. So here's the big question. Would you replace your current PC with a tiny machine like this? Or do you still believe bigger computers mean better performance? Let me know in the comments, subscribe for more future tech updates, and I'll see you in the next video.